Good morning anglers. Dawnbreaker. Sun will be up in about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. Clouds are moving in from the southwest. Lines in the water, so we're in with a chance. Come along and have a squizzy. Rightio campers, we're into a fish. Trying to keep the bugger out of the weed. Get away from the Raupo. Still got a sore throat from their RSV virus that's going around. Dawnbreaker. Alrighty. Hopefully just the first one for the day. Forecast strong westerlies, southwesterlies. There we go. Hen, just starting to roll up. Sun's not even up yet. Sounded back where she came from. All good, Lee.